Okay, hi. What we're going to do now is Pyung Ahn E Dan. It has 29 moves. It's probably one of the most difficult of all the Pyung Ahn forms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down slowly again, and then we're going to go into full speed. So watch. Pyung Ahn E Dan. I look to my left. I'm going to go into a fighting stance. I'm going to block with the inside to outside Anaso Pakuro Maki. And then with this hand, I'm going to do a high block, which is a Sandan Maki. If you notice, it goes together like that. So when I do it, I look to my left, cover, block, and block. Hands come in this way. Notice that my right hand is inverted, not like this, but the hands are pointing down. Then I'm going to do an uppercut, my body twists. Then I'm going to point to the solar plexus. My left hand's going to be chambered, center punch like that. Then I'm going to look over to the right, same thing on this side. Block, high block, inside to outside block with this side. So it's going to be an Anaso Pakuro Maki, and then a Sandan Maki with my left hand. Hands are going to come in like this again. Look at my hand, it's like downward, not like this, but down. I'm going to twist and do an uppercut, which is called a tough chicky. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to point, side punch in a horse stance position, which is called a Chundan Hanji. Then I'm going to look over to my right. I'm going to step halfway between. I'm going to point that way, bring it up. Then I'm going to throw a side kick and a hammer fist. Tia, fighting stance like that. So if you want to do that again, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to look over, halfway, point. This hand's going to stay right here. Tia, side kick, fighting stance. Alright, so high knife hand block. So this is called a Sandan Pseudo Maki. Then I'm going to do a Sandan Pseudo Maki. Sandan Pseudo Maki. And then I'm going to key up and do a Kwansu Konkyo. So I'm going to block. This hand is like this. Kwansu Konkyo. And I key up right there. I look over to the left. High knife hand block. So Sandan Pseudo Maki, look 45. Sandan Pseudo Maki, look 45. Or, I'm sorry, all the way in this way to the right. High knife hand block. Then I'm going to look 45. High knife hand block. So 4 knife hand blocks. Then I look over to my left. Inside to outside block. Anaso Pakuro Maki. Up chucking. Chundan Kunkyo, center punch. Anaso Pakuro Maki. Up chucking. Center punch. Chundan Kunkyo. Hands are going to go right here on both sides, like you're forming a fist. And then you're going to do a two-hand block, which is called a Chungkul Sansu Maki. Then I look over to my left hand's going to go on top. Aran Maki, Chundan Pseudo Maki, I look 45. Sandan Maki, look over to the right. Aran Maki, Chundan Pseudo Maki, I look 45. Sandan Maki, and I key up there. And I look over. Baro, Chariot, Kingette,